Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PHN Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Welcome back to the Android Studio development tutorial by PHN Technology Private Limited. In this video, we are going to learn about material design. Now, first of all, what is material design? Till now, we have designed our applications GUI in activity_main.xml. We have used different controls, checkboxes, radio buttons, edit text, text views, buttons, okay? But we haven't given them a customized design. Okay? We have used the ready-made design of those components. For example, if I am saying a button with grey background, black text, what we can do is, to the fullest is, we can change the background color of the button, of the text view, of the edit text. But now I want to add some more customizations to it. Customizations in the sense, I want to make the corners of my buttons round. I want to make my edit text more attractive by adding some animations to it. Okay. So, for this advanced designing purpose, customized designing purpose, the concept or the term that is used is called as material design. So, today in this section we will be learning about some concepts of material design. The first concept that we will be going through is text input layout. Now, what is this text input layout? It is a control, advanced control, which is used to beautify the edit text that we use normally. Okay, so let us get started. I have added a new project here, and this is a simple project. So, here I have added some edit text. This is what a normal edit text looks like. Let us go into our design file, and first of all I will change this constraint layout to linear layout, and then we will change the orientation vertical. After this, here I will add a edit text. I will keep its width as match parent and height wrap content. Now, end of edit text. Here we will give it hint, enter your name. Okay. This is a normal edit text. Let us give it a bit margin top, margin left and margin right. Okay. This is what a normal edit text looks like without any designing. So, when I click on this text, edit text, this enter your name will disappear and we can type our values there. To add some animations and beautifications to it, let us see now. Okay, so, first let us check the output. So, here when I begin typing, this enter your name vanishes. Now, what I want is, this is the hint enter your name. Whenever I will start typing, this enter your name hint should update, slide upwards, and our text should be displayed. So, for this purpose we use the control text input layout. Now, if you are using Android 4.0.1, it by default has the dependency for text input layout. However, if you are using an older version, you will have to add the dependency externally, and the dependencies are added in this Gradle scripts folder, second file build.gradle. So, open this build.gradle file. Here, if you scroll down, you will get this screen. If you scroll down, you will get the dependencies section. In this dependencies section, you have to add the dependency for material design. So, this one, which is now by default added in 4.0.1. Okay, so, com.google.android.material, this is for material design concepts. Okay, so, after adding this dependency, you will have to click on sync now button here. So, see, when you do any changes in this build.gradle file, you have to synchronize your project again. So, here it is showing the option for sync now. Click on the sync now, and when you click on the sync now, make sure your internet connection is good, because it will download that dependency from the server to your Android Studio. Right now it is already present, okay, but still I have done some changes, so it is showing me to sync. We will sync this project, okay, and it will be synced. After adding this dependency, we will come to our activity_main.xml file. Now, here what I want to do is, I have to add text input layout. text input layout wraps the edit text. So before this edit text, I will type here text input. So see, there are two suggestions, text input layout, text input edit text. We will go for text input layout. Width match parent, height wrap content. Close this text input layout, and the closing tag of this layout will be after the edit text. Now see here, what is the change? My edit text is now inside this text input layout. Okay. com.google.android material text field, text input layout. This edit text should be between this text input layout. And now let's run and check the output, what is the change. Here in preview we are not able to see any change. Let's see whether in runtime if there is some change in the design. Okay. Now if I click here, so can you see this enter your name is slided upwards. Okay. So this is the use of text input layout. And if you have typed nothing, for example, if you opened the app just now, so it is showing a normal text view, but when you will start typing, the text will scroll upwards. Okay. This is the use of this text input layout control. So this is one control of material design. In the next video, we will see how to make a rounded button. So if you have to change the corners of the button, how to do it, we will see in the next video. Thank you.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.